Arctic King portable air conditioners can experience drainage problems that affect their performance. Understanding these issues is essential for maintaining your unit properly. Drainage problems can lead to three main consequences: water leaks around the unit, reduced cooling efficiency, and automatic shutdowns that interrupt operation. These drainage issues typically stem from three main causes: a full water tank, a blocked drainage hose, or a malfunctioning condensate pump. Modern Arctic King units display error codes to alert you when drainage issues occur. The most common codes are FL and P1, which indicate that the water tank is full and needs to be emptied. Arctic King air conditioners use three different drainage systems. The first is self-evaporative, where moisture evaporates through the exhaust hose, though manual draining may still be needed in very humid conditions. The second system uses an internal collection tank that requires manual emptying when full. This is the most common type in portable units. The third system provides continuous drainage using a hose for constant water flow. This eliminates the need for manual emptying, but requires proper hose installation. Proper placement is crucial for effective drainage. Your Arctic King unit must be positioned on a level surface to ensure water flows correctly and prevent leaks from occurring. Understanding these drainage systems and common issues helps you identify problems early and maintain your Arctic King portable air conditioner effectively. Start troubleshooting by checking the power supply and inspecting the air filter. A clogged filter is one of the most common causes of drainage problems. Next, check if the water tank is full. Most units display error codes like FL or P1 when the tank needs emptying. Inspect the unit for leaks and ensure it's properly leveled. An unlevel unit can cause water to pool and leak from unexpected areas. For units with continuous drainage, inspect the drainage hose for kinks, blockages, or improper connections. Clean the drain port to remove mineral deposits and debris that can block water flow. If your unit has a condensate pump, verify it's functioning properly. Pump failure is a common cause of drainage issues. If ice formation is present on the coils, turn off the unit and allow it to defrost completely before resuming operation. For stubborn clogs in drain lines, use a wet-dry vacuum or plumber's snake to clear blockages. This requires more advanced troubleshooting skills. Prevent future drainage problems with regular maintenance. Clean filters every 2 to 3 weeks and perform monthly system checks. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, it's time to consult a qualified HVAC technician for professional diagnosis and repair.